American Mahjong Practice User Guide. This user guide is for players who already know the basics of playing American Mahjong and need help using the app. If you don't know the basics of playing live Mahjong, contact support at 8bam.com for help. Mahjong practice is designed around your hand, not the table. When you open the app, the 14 tiles on the screen are your hand. Tap the New Game button a couple times to see new hands generated. These hands are generated randomly, so they will be different every time. There are 4 players, including you. They are named East, South, West, and North. Yes, the order is backward from a map. That's an old Chinese Mahjong tradition that carried forward into American Mahjong. In the app, you always play the dealer, the East hand. Bots are the computer players that you play against. Before the Charleston, the bot's view will be empty. Tap the bot's button to see the bot's view. After the Charleston, you will see an empty rack above your hand, with 14 empty tile positions. This empty rack is where you expose tiles when you call them. After your first discard, you will see 3 empty rows for the opponent's racks on the bot's view. These empty racks are where the bots expose tiles when they call them. The 4 empty racks are where you and bots exchange tiles for jokers. Below your hand is the discard table. This grid shows every tile that has been discarded. In this example, the discards were 1 3-dot, 2 2-bams, and 1 east. The wall has 95 tiles left. At the bottom of the screen are more controls: bots, hands, and tiles. Also menu, settings, and help. The gear icon is settings. We will cover the functions of these controls later. To move a tile, drag it from a starting position and drop on an ending location. Tiles are not moved with tapping or swiping motions. Touch and hold on a tile. While maintaining a finger on the tile, move your finger away to initiate a drag gesture. You now have a tile that can be dropped onto another position. Some moves are illegal in American Mahjong. The app will either prevent you from making an illegal move or warn you of an error. Tap the Hands control to see suggested hands. Hands are sorted by the highest matching tile count. The hands that match your hand with the most tiles will be sorted to the top. Experienced players know which hands are best to play from the list, but may see hands they would not have thought of. New players can use this list to learn and develop strategies. The closest matching hand might not always be the easiest to make, but it's a great place to start as you learn. There is no right and wrong answer. Every player will make different choices. For more advanced strategy assistance, we will cover a newer feature, Charleston categories, later. The tiles view shows exactly what tiles match your hand the best to help you decide what tiles to keep and what tiles to pass. This is helpful when you're a new player and can't see how your tiles match the hands in the hands view. Watch our next video for the Charleston and gameplay.